Hello everyone, welcome back to DelphStack Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to make a sign-up sheet on Google Forms. Go to forms.google.com and make sure you're already signed into your Google account. You can use an existing template, or you can create a blank form. You can create a quiz, a survey, or anything else you want. For this example, I have created a sign-up sheet for a match tournament. I am toggling the required options so no one can leave it optional. In the Customize section, you can change font size, font style, and layout. I will choose a header style here. There are many options available. I am selecting one for tutorial purposes so you can see how it appears. The header now appears correctly and the sign-up sheet is ready and properly customized. Next, go to Settings. Open the Responses section and drop it down. Select Do Not Collect Email Addresses and limit responses to one person. This ensures that each person can submit the form only once. Now publish the form. After publishing, copy the link and share it with your audience by email or social media. This is how you create a sign-up sheet for a match tournament. When users open the link, the form will appear like this to respondents. They can enter their information directly into the form. That's how you create a sign-up sheet in Google Forms. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and I will see you in the next tutorial.